Now, the figure is made up of a rectangle. Can you see a rectangle? And a triangle overlapping each other. So this is the overlapping part. Okay? Now, 1/4 of the rectangle and 2/5 of the triangle is unshaded. I think this is a very, very important point. Okay? Let's ask ourselves, which is 1/4 of the rectangle that is unshaded? You can see that this is the part, right?
Yeah.
So if there is 1/4, then this has to be 3/4. You agree so far?
Yeah.
Alright. If this is 3/4, then we look at triangle. They say that this is 2/5, therefore this has to be 3/5. Correct? Now, since they share the same overlapping part, isn't it true to say that 1/4 is actually equals to 2/5?
Yes.
So what we want to do is to make the numerator the same. So we get 2/8 is equals to 2/5. Agree so far?
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say is that this for the rectangle is 2/8. Then this I have to change to 6/8. For this for the rectangle is 2/5. So therefore over here I remain as 3/5. Am I making sense here?
Yeah.
Now they say the area of the unshaded parts of the figure is 57. So therefore 2 units is actually equals to 57. Agree so far?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so we find our Mr. Green Man, which is 1 unit. So 57 divided by 2, that gives me 28.5 centimeters squared. Now, the question says area of the rectangle. Look at the rectangle. The area means I have to look at the denominator. So therefore, it is actually how many units? 8 units. And therefore, when I do 28.5 times 8, that gives me 228 centimeters squared. And this is your answer for this question A. Okay, now then we move on to the next part. It says what fraction of the figure is unshaded? Unshaded means whatever that is in the middle.
Okay.
Can you see that? Okay, now let's ask ourselves, we first have to find out, okay, what is the unshaded part? We can see 2/8 and 2/5, correct? So for B, right, to find the unshaded, okay, unshaded is basically 2, correct?
Yeah.
What about the total area? The total area, let's talk about rectangle. Rectangle is 6, correct? Triangle is 3. So therefore you get to 2/9, and this is your answer.